Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm making fusion gulab jamun cheesecake. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this particular video, please do give a thumbs up. So let me give you a quick review of this recipe. The main ingredient is gulab jamun, which we are going to make from scratch, and the first thing you are going to make is the sheera and then the dough for gulab jamuns. Very first step is to make sheera because we want it to be room temperature once we add gulab jamuns to it. So I am going to start adding stuff to make sugar syrup. Now on medium heat I am going to place the saucepan and keep stirring it so all the sugar is dissolved. After some time you will notice that it is getting thicker and slightly golden in color. It will take around 5 minutes to get the sheera ready. Now I'm going to take it off the heat and let it cool. Meanwhile, in my stand mixer, I'm going to start making the dough. Now after adding your egg, you will notice the dough is starting to come together, but you have to add 1 teaspoon at a time normal room temperature milk until the dough is sticky and completely together. I am happy with my dough, it's sticky and soft. I am going to now quickly shape them into small sized gulab jamun. Please don't make them too big because they are going to expand while frying and also while soaking the syrup. On medium heat, I am going to heat some oil in wok. Do not make it too much hot. To check if the oil is sufficient hot, I am going to test fry a small piece of dough. Please notice it will start bubbling and it should not be turning brown immediately. If it turns brown too quick, that means your oil is too much hot, which will result in hard center gulab jamuns, and you definitely don't want that. With a spatula, keep blending your gulab jamun so they are this beautiful golden color from every side. Make sure to drain all the excess oil and add them directly to the room temperature sheera. I just make sure to rotate them gently so all the sheera is soaked very nicely from all sides of gulab jamun. You can keep them aside and then repeat the process with the rest of the gulab jamuns. I am going to cut open one gulab jamun. As you can see, they are completely soft and moist from inside. Now I am going to start preparing the filling of cheesecake. Make sure to scrape the sides of your ball so everything is well mixed. Once everything is nicely mixed, I am going to pop it in the fridge and going to prepare the base of the cheesecake. Add melted butter to the cookie crumbs till it resembles wet sand. Now all the components of your gulab jamun cheesecake are ready. Here is your cookie base, your gulab jamuns and your cheesecake batter. You can enjoy them nicely chilled. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please do leave your likes and comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.